Understanding Product Comparisons, a guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an interesting and useful topic, product comparisons. This is something we encounter almost daily. Whether we're shopping online, reading reviews, or simply choosing between two items at the store. Understanding how to talk about and understand product comparisons is key in making informed decisions. So, let's get started and explore what product comparison means and how it applies to our lives. Product comparison involves examining two or more items to identify their similarities and differences. The goal is to evaluate which product best meets specific criteria or needs. This could include comparing features, prices, quality, and other aspects. For example, when deciding between two smartphones, you might compare their camera quality, battery life, screen size, and price. Understanding how to compare products helps consumers make choices that are best suited to their needs and preferences. Comparing products is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it ensures that you are getting the best value for your money by examining what each product offers for its price. Secondly, it helps you make informed decisions based on your needs, preferences, and budget. Lastly, it can save time and resources in the long run by helping you choose products that are more durable, efficient, or better suited to your purpose. To compare products effectively, start by listing the features that are most important to you. Next, research and gather information about each product that matches those criteria. Look for reviews and feedback from other consumers to get an idea of performance and satisfaction levels. Use comparison tools or charts to visually map out how each product stacks up against the others. Remember to consider not only the initial cost but also long-term value and efficiency. When discussing product comparisons, certain terms and phrases are particularly useful. Words like features, benefits, advantages, and disadvantages help describe what a product offers. Phrases such as compared to, in contrast, and on the other hand, are useful for highlighting differences. Understanding this vocabulary will enhance your ability to compare products and communicate your findings effectively. We hope this guide has illuminated the concept of product comparison and its importance in our daily lives. By applying these strategies and utilizing the right vocabulary, you can make more informed decisions that align with your needs and preferences. Thank you for joining us, and we hope you found this video helpful. Happy comparing, and see you in our next video.